Today we aren't just looking at motorcycles. We are peering into the future of the open road. It is 2026 and the industry has shifted from mere transportation to rolling pieces of art. We have 5 titans on the stage today, machines that define status, power and the soul of the rider, from the chrome-heavy heritage of the West to the surgical precision of the East. These are the showpiece concepts that are redefining the showroom floors this year. Stick around, because by the end of this deep dive, you'll know exactly which beast belongs in your garage. Trust me guys, you do not want to blink, because the 2026 lineup is nothing short of legendary. One Harley-Davidson Model U 2026. Now let's start with the crown jewel of the American spirit. The Harley-Davidson Model U 2026, this isn't just a motorcycle. It's a resurrection in the USA market. This is the bike everyone has been screaming for. It takes the vintage U-Series silhouette from the 1930s and 40s and injects it with a lethal dose of 2026 technology. This is the showpiece of the year, blending that classic big twin rumble with a frame that looks like it was carved from a single block of industrial steel. It's heavy, it's loud, and it commands respect before you even thumb the starter. The Model U is the undisputed king of the USA cruiser market, because it understands one thing: heritage is king. Harley has equipped this 2026 masterpiece with a refined Milwaukee 8 engine that delivers torque so smooth, it feels like the earth is moving under you. Rather than you moving over it, the paintwork is deep rich and carries a mirror-like finish that Yamaha Auto Details fans will appreciate for its sheer craftsmanship. It's designed for the rider who wants to be seen and heard from 3 blocks away. Technologically, the 2026 Model U is a sleeper. While it looks like a retro heavyweight, it features a hidden digital interface, integrated directly into the fuel tank. There are no clunky screens breaking the lines here, just seamless glass that wakes up when you touch it. The adaptive suspension adjusts millisecond by millisecond, ensuring that even though you look like you're riding a vintage hardtail, you feel like you're floating on a cloud. It is the perfect marriage of the way it was and the way it's going to be. Why is this the favorite? Because it captures the American dream on 2 wheels. In the US, the Model U isn't just a bike. It's an identity. It's for the long hauls across state lines and the slow rolls through neon-lit city streets. The 2026 concept focuses on mechanical purity, meaning every wire is hidden. Every bolt is polished and the machine feels alive. It's a showpiece that you can actually ride for 500 miles without breaking a sweat. If you want the ultimate status symbol of 2026, the Harley Model U is the final answer. 2 Honda Fury 2026, moving from the heavy heritage of Harley. And let's talk about a bike that looks like it escaped from a high-end. Custom chopper shop, the Honda Fury 2026. For years, the Fury has been the rebel of the Honda family. But the 2026 concept takes that long and lean look to a futuristic extreme. It features an even more radical rake in the front forks, stretching the bike out into a silhouette that screams speed and defiance. Is the kind of bike that looks fast, even when it's parked on its kickstand. The 2026 Fury is all about the neo-chopper aesthetic. Honda has managed to keep that iconic high neck frame, while slimming down the bodywork to expose more of the massive V-twin engine. It's a mechanical skeleton wrapped in LED lighting. The 2026 model introduces smart chrome, a finish that actually resists fingerprints and road grime, keeping that chopper's shine even after a long day of riding. This is for the rider who wants the custom chopper look without the custom chopper headaches. Performance-wise, the Fury is deceptively agile. You'd think a bike this long would be hard to turn, but Honda's 2026 engineering includes a rear-wheel steering assist that helps you navigate tight corners with surprising ease. The exhaust note has been tuned to a crisp, rhythmic pulse that is uniquely Honda reliable, precise and powerful. It's a bike built for the Sunday morning cruise, where every person on the sidewalk will have their phone out, taking pictures of you in the 2026 market. The Fury stands out because it's unapologetic. It doesn't try to be a touring bike or a sport bike. It is a pure, unadulterated cruiser. The 2026 concept includes a radical new seat design that uses pressure mapping technology to keep you comfortable, despite the bike's low-slung, aggressive posture. It's a masterclass in how to build a production chopper that actually works in the real world. 3 Yamaha Road Star 2026. Next up, we have a name that resonates with muscle and reliability. The Yamaha Road Star 2026. Yamaha has gone back to the drawing board for this concept. focusing on what they call massive elegance, the 2026 Road Star is a heavyweight cruiser that focuses on the sensory experience, the feel of the vibrating handlebars, the smell of the road, and the sight of massive amounts of polished metal. It's built like a tank but handles like a dream. The Road Star 2026 features a monstrous, air-cooled twin that pays homage to the golden era of cruising. Yamaha has opted out of liquid cooling for this specific showpiece, to keep the engine fins large and aesthetically dominant. However, don't let the old school cooling fool you. The internals are space age. We're talking about ceramic coated pistons. In a transmission that shifts with the click of a high-end watch, it's a bike built to last a lifetime. For the 2026 model, Yamaha has introduced a haptic feedback system in the grips and pegs. This system alerts the rider to vehicles in their blind spot through gentle vibrations, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road while staying fully aware of your surroundings. The Road Star is also a favorite for customizers. The 2026 chassis is designed to be modular, meaning owners can easily swap out fenders, tanks and bars to make the bike truly their own. This is the bike for the road warrior. It's designed for the person who sees a map and wants to cover every inch of it. The 2026 Yamaha Road Star is incredibly stable at high speeds, making it the perfect companion for the wide open highways of the USA or the coastal roads of Europe. It's a balanced, powerful, and deeply soulful machine that proves Yamaha still knows exactly how to build a world-class cruiser for Honda Rebel 1100-2026. Now let's pivot to something a bit more modern, sleek and urban. The Honda Rebel 1100-2026. If the Harley is the king, the Rebel is the ace. This bike has taken the world by storm, because it breaks all the rules of what a cruiser should be. The 2026 concept is blacked out, aggressive, and packed with sport bike-derived technology. It's the cruiser for the generation that grew up on technology and demands performance without the old man baggage. The heart of the 2026 Rebel 1100 is its parallel twin engine, borrowed and tuned from the legendary Africa Twin. This gives the Rebel a power delivery that is punchy and exciting. It doesn't just rumble, it roars for 2026. Honda has updated the dual clutch transmission de-sitter, making gear changes almost telepathic. You can ride it as a full automatic in the city, or switch to manual paddle shifters when you hit the canyons. What makes the 2026 Rebel a showpiece is its minimalism. Every part on this bike has a purpose. There is no fluff, the frame is exposed. The fenders are bob short, and the lighting is all ultra-thin LED strips. It's a dark side concept that looks incredibly intimidating in a matte finish. In the USA market, this bike is a top seller because it's accessible, incredibly fast, and looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. The Rebel 1100 also features the most advanced electronic suite. In this group, we're talking about wheelie control, multiple traction control levels, and 4 distinct riding modes: Standard Range Sport and a user customizable mode in 2026. This bike is the bridge between the cruiser world and the performance world. It's light, it's flickable, and it's arguably the most fun bike on this list to actually ride, Hard 5 Honda Shadow Aero 2026. Finally, we come to the timeless classic, the Honda Shadow Aero 2026. While the Rebel is about the future, the Shadow Aero is about the eternal. This is the bike for the purist, who loves the 1950s aesthetic, deep balanced fenders, spoke wheels, and a generous amount of sparkling chrome. The 2026 concept doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, it just makes the wheel more beautiful than ever before. The Shadow Aero 2026 is the gentleman's cruiser. It's smooth, quiet, and incredibly easy to handle. The 2026 updates include a new crystal chrome plating that is more durable and has a deeper shine than traditional plating. The seat is a plush-stitched leather throne. That makes you feel like you're sitting in a luxury car, rather than on a motorcycle. It's the ultimate relax and enjoy the view machine. Even though it looks traditional, the 2026 Shadow Aero includes a modern shaft drive system, meaning you never have to worry about cleaning or tensioning a chain. It's the peak of low-maintenance cruising. The engine is tuned for low-end grunt, making it perfect for effortless cruising at 60 miles per hour. While the chrome pipes emit a gentle, comforting thrum, it's the bike that reminds you why you started riding in the first place. For the peace of mind in the USA, the Shadow Aero has a massive cult following. Because of its bulletproof reliability, people buy these bikes and keep them for 20 years. The 2026 model honors that loyalty by providing a machine that is as dependable as a sunrise, but as beautiful as a sunset. It is the perfect closing act for our list. A showpiece that proves class never goes out of style. So there you have it, guys. 5 incredible machines, 5 different souls. Whether you want the raw American power of the Harley Model U, the custom flair of the Honda Fury, the muscular reliability of the Yamaha Road Star, the tech-heavy aggression of the Rebel 1100, or the timeless beauty of the Shadow Aero, the 2026 lineup has something for everyone. This is a golden age for bikers, and here at Yamaha Auto Details, we are proud to bring you these first looks. Which one would you choose for your dream garage? Drop a comment below and let's talk bikes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most incredible machines. Ride safe and I'll see you in the next one.